He kept his distance. It was clear he needed time to heal.
What do you think?
He was scared when we got home, and all he did was sleep.
You relax?
Boomer was found on the side of a highway.
Boomer.
His eye was badly wounded.
He was a good boy. You okay?
I'd bandage up his eye, and he'd go back to resting. He was on 10 different medications and was just so loopy. My dog Ruby is a natural mama. I knew she could help him come out of his shell. When I introduced them, Boomer instantly had a crush. But it was Ruby who didn't know what to make of him.
That's good. They're good. They're good. They're good. They're good.
She kept her distance, initially. But after a few days, I noticed the two of them playing together with this toy for a couple minutes. And then it happened again. And then again. And then it was just nonstop. The playtime broke down all the barriers. Boomer loved toys so much, he would take them on walks. He was so proud and so happy.
They're actually doing pretty good.
And I really feel like it helped his confidence so much.
Hey, what are you guys doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
They did everything together. They mastered the finer arts of sunbathing and cuddling. Over the weeks, Boomer completely transformed inside and out. His personality grew. He was just the strongest, most confident little man. And this kind of meant that our portion of the work was complete. It was time for Boomer to find his forever home. Ruby and I searched high and low for a family that would love Boomer as much as she and I did. Boomer hit the jackpot. He's so loved. What an incredible family for Boomer to spend his life with.